Hi, Deepak Arora. Welcome you all with another interesting lesson. Today's topic is all about asking opinion. Do you feel articulate when you have to express your opinion or when you want to know someone's opinion? Do you get stuck or you have to speak Hindi? So it's imperative to be proficient to learn every kind of expressions in order to be an effective speaker. So without much ado, let's get started. Number one expression is what do you think? What do you think? This is used to ask someone politely for someone opinion. When you really want to know किसी का opinion क्या है, then you can use this expression over there. What do you think? Let's see the example. What do you think about the new manager? What do you think about the new manager? In this expression, you see that you want to know that someone opinion that someone is there, and you really wish to know that what does someone think about that new manager. So you will use this kind of expression over there when you really want to know someone opinion politely. Number two expression is do you see what I am getting at? Do you see what I am getting at? Here getting at means you know what this means that to understand something किसी बात को समझना और जब आप किसी को ये समझाना चाहते हैं that what you are doing exactly, so you really wish to know that someone opinion. The definition of this expression is that this is used to ask someone to understand what are you trying to say or tell. There like you know if you really wish to know that और इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू मेक समवन अंडरस्टैंड कि आप क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं, तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में यू नो व्हाट वी यूज़ दिस एक्सप्रेशन डू यू सी व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग एट. डू यू सी व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग एट. आई होप दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एक्सप्रेशन. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू रियली वांट टू मेक समवन अंडरस्टैंड, जब आप ये किसी को बताना चाहते हैं कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं और क्या पूछना कुछ चाहते हैं, देन वी यूज़ दिस एक्सप्रेशन. Do you see what I am getting at? Next one is do you reckon? Do you reckon? The pronunciation is. So this is used, you know what do you think or believe about something? जब आप ये कहना चाहते हैं कि आप क्या सोचते हैं और क्या कोई किसी बात पर बिलीव करता है या किसी चीज़ के बारे में. सो और आप कुछ प्लानिंग करते हैं कुछ करने के लिए, लेकिन आप दूसरे का ओपिनियन नहीं जानना चाहते हैं. यू रियली वांट टू नो दैट व्हाट someone feels and what someone will feel, and you want to know that will someone you know what uh, accept your opinion, what exactly you want him to do or want her to do. और आप किसी से कुछ करवाना चाहते हैं या the thing is this, you want to make them believe yes this is the right thing. So we use this kind of expression, do you reckon. Let's see the example. I am thinking to watch a movie today, what do you reckon. सो इट मीन्स दैट कि मैं आज मूवी जाने के लिए सोच रहा हूँ, तो इसमें आप क्या सोचते हैं. सो इन दिस एक्सप्रेशन यू नो दैट you are planning to do something, you are thinking to watch a movie, but you are not sure that what someone will react and how someone will react, and you really want to know their opinion, that will they agree on that. So you will use this expression over there, do you reckon. Number 4 expression is do you have an idea. This is another you know what expression to ask someone opinion, that to ask about something but not completely certain. जब आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में कुछ किसी के opinion जानना चाहते हैं लेकिन आप उसके बारे में श्योर नहीं होते हैं, पूरे सर्टेन नहीं होते हैं. So you can use this you know what this kind of expressions. Do you have an idea. Let's see the example. Do you have an idea when he will come. Do you have an idea when he will come. So in this sentence you see that a person wants to know that at what time he will arrive, or because he is not sure that he will come or not. So it's all about like what uncertainty. So when you feel that something is going to happen but you're not sure about that, आपको लगता है कि कुछ चीज़ होने वाली है बट आप 100% श्योर नहीं होते हैं, so you really just want to know someone opinion that does he know someone, or does he know like what something about that, does someone has and a particular information about something. So इस जगह हम इस एक्सप्रेशन का यूज़ करते हैं, डू यू हैव एन आइडिया. आई होप दैट यू आर लाइकिंग these expressions. Number 5 expression is could you explain to me. So first we have to understand that I have used could over here. It is very important to understand difference between can and could, that where we use can and where do we use could. So particularly could is used first for a polite expression when you want to know something there only. So where to use this expression, this is used to ask someone to explain something when you want someone that he or she should explain to you that what somebody is doing, and why what someone is doing this, or why someone has done that, or why someone has done this and that. So this is all about a specific explanation which you really want to know from someone. So this is also another expression of someone opinion, asking opinion that why he or she is doing like that. Let's see the example. Could you please explain this to me? Why did you do this? Could you please explain this to me? Why did you do this? क्या आप इस बात को एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं कि आपने ऐसा क्यों किया? The next expression is what is your take on? What is your take on? This is another beautiful expression which is used, it's a polite way of asking someone for their opinion or ideas, that what is your take on. This is being used by so many, and this is another modern expression. So next time when you have to ask someone opinion, keep this expression in mind and just start using this into your day-to-day conversation and communication. Let's see the example. What is your take on the recent education system? What is your take on the recent education system? So let's see that in the sentences, the speaker wants to know from someone that what exactly what he thinks about the recent education system which is being imparted in schools and colleges, because he would like to know what kind of education system is all about. So there only you will use this expression, that what is your take on. Next expression is how do you feel about. This is also another expression, another polite expression to ask someone or about something, like opinions or reactions. How does someone feel? When someone reacts something over anything, like whatever you just talk about any topic and issue. So you would like to know that how will they react and what would be their what reactions. So in that situation you will use this kind of expression, that how do you feel about. Let's see the example. I like his company, how do you feel. So in this expression that the speaker wants to know someone opinion or reaction about someone company that he likes or she likes or not. Like he is in someone company, he likes his company but he is not sure about another one. वह श्योर नहीं है दूसरे के बारे में कि उसको उसकी कंपनी पसंद आई या नहीं आई. सो ही वुड लाइक टू नो अबाउट द रिएक्शन. So in this sentence you can see the reaction of another person which that the speaker wants to know. So there only you will use this kind of expression, how do you feel about. I hope that you understood it well. Number 8 is do you agree with me. Do you agree with me? This is a very common expression which is used to and which is being spoken by so many. So this is another way of asking when someone is offering an opinion and looking for your approval. When you really want to offer your opinion to someone, जब आप किसी को अपना opinion देना चाहते हैं और ये जानना चाहते हैं कि उनका उसके बाद उनका approval रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा. So to know someone approval, whether someone likes it or someone dislikes it, so this is a kind of expression which is being used over there. आप इस तरह के एक्सप्रेशन वहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे. नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर आपको किसी के ओपिनियन को, अगर आप अपने ओपिनियन को देते हैं किसी को, और ये जानना चाहते हैं कि उनका अप्रूवल क्या रहेगा, तो वहाँ पे आप ये एक्सप्रेशन यूज़ करेंगे। लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल। दे विल नॉट स्टैंड बाय अस, डू यू अग्री? They will not stand by us, do you agree? So in this sentence you see that the speaker say that they will not stand by. Stand by, you know what is an idiom which means साथ देना. So the sentence says that वे हमारा साथ नहीं देंगे, and he would like to know someone approval or opinion that do you agree with this or not. So he or she wants to know that whether they, you know what, will stand by us or not. So in this situation you will use this kind of expression. The next expression is what is your point of view? What is your point of view? This is also used to know about someone perception. Perception means here, like, you know what, another synonym of opinion. What is your point of view? So in spoken English, when you have to say that जब आप जानना चाहते हैं कि किसी का point of view क्या है, किसी का opinion क्या है about someone or about something, so you will use this expression over there. What is your point of view? The last one is do you share my view? This is, you know what, another way of asking politely someone opinion about something. So share my view means like you want someone to share his view or her view among the people, or like, you know, with people. So we use this expression over there. Do you share my view? So these were the 10 expressions, you know what, how to ask someone opinion. I personally feel that you really like this video, and now I want each one of you just to use this expression in your day-to-day communication, when, you know what, you really want to know someone opinion or someone, you know what, approval. So if this comes in your mind that how to say these things in, you know what, English, so don't forget, you know what, to use these kind of expressions. With this, you know what, I sign off, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and do not forget to like and share. Thank you so much for being with me on this video. I will catch you up with another lesson. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed.